another one coming.
Sir?
Mid-year review. Oh yes. Mid-year review, when they go to read the mid-year budget, they will bring 2 extra ones. And that is where the camel's back will break. And I want to see what they will do. For the drivers, they have gotten what they are supposed to get. The next is the shippers.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice right here on Ghana TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications. Right, anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
To comment a bit about this whole hike or the 1 cedi thing. The voice who say Ghana, our major problem is NDC.
They have always been.
And they are deliberately doing this to frustrate the country, not MPP, but to frustrate the country. I want to take you back. 2014, September 18. What did John Mahama tell the drivers of Ghana? Or say, Montius Kano, Petrona Yatum, said the next year, when petrol prices go up, I will not increase petrol prices because Matis cannot order that. Have they forgotten? I've given you the date, so those can check. September 18, 2014. That was what Mahama said. Mahama said, petrol now watum, even though he knows that you are in doing so. But petrol now watum said the when the next petrol window comes and it goes up, he, Mahama, would have the money to support the citizens so that they don't have to pay for that increase. Did that happen? 2015, didn't petrol go up?
They even passed the deregulation that 2015.
Exactly my point. So yesterday, I was fighting somebody on some program. They are saying that we came to do amendments. Now, as a matter of fact, they have kicked me off from that platform because of the truth I am. The government had a say in the prices of petrol before. And because say John Mahama or these licenses to lift oil and stuff, he went to Parliament to make that regulation free and gave the power to the OMCs. So the government don't have no control over that petrol. So today, if they have come back to power and they have now learned that they didn't quasi-assem and they want to reverse it, why do you want to push it on MPP? Because we're trying to say it's a lower one they only amended. Lower one at the buy. Lower one 2015 and what they buy. It's mon question someone who did it 2015 and the one who say now the papa and the munya will be here free. Now shall somebody promises you say pay more so that when the petrol goes up, I will not increase petrol. He didn't give you that, right? The same person today through the finance minister is telling you that, oh, utia e-levy 1%. Say 1 cedi per, and that will be okay. Pay 1 cedi and your fuel will be up. Meanwhile, the minister there said, and if you remember, there's no doing so. And am I mistaken?
Okay, no.
So now when he says that you need 1 cedi to solve doing so, and people are supporting this nonsense, are you people serious in Ghana? What do they eat? The person who came and says, look, when we came 8 years, we didn't give them doom so. Do you know what the NDC said? Almost say a power purchase agreement now there John Mahama laying it down and I'm not doing so. So John Mahama solved doom so. Then fast forward 2025, you come back to power and tell you the doom so now Mahama solve and that's all. Now as a matter of fact, they say crowd $1, 1 cedi per liter in order to solve that doom so crisis. We NDC, you are not ashamed. You don't feel stupid for what your people are doing to you. You are there because you are an NDC member and you are supporting foolery and stupidity. If there is anything the government of Mahama has done that I approve, is this one. And just so you know, last time I said this on your page, I told you that they were bringing e-levy, if you remember. In a different form.
Yeah, you said it.
Now it has happened. Now let me tell you, they are also, the people at the ports, get ready. There's another one coming. Mid-year review. Oh yes. Mid-year review, when they go to read the mid-year budget, they will bring 2 extra ones. And that is where the camel's back will break. And I want to see what they will do. For the drivers, they have gotten what they are supposed to get. The next is the shippers. Those people who are shipping. And those people are Abuso Kai. And and those market women who import, no move journey. After this one, they will the car bar to me, they will take it from you.
You can't tell me that you won't introduce any taxes because you believe that what the government needs to do is to block all the leakages, broaden, and that's what even John Dramani Mahama, the president, stated, that they'll be broadening the tax net, seal all the leakages, and streamline the tax system. So that's what we're expecting John Dramani Mahama to do. But no, we are rather seeing additional taxes. First of all, they did it in the budget, but listen, we say, okay, you just leave it. Then 2 months down the line, after taking away 2 taxes that were generating a little over 2 billion Ghana cedis annually, you've introduced a particular tax that will be generating 5.7 billion. That's what I want the ordinary Ghanaian to understand. But that means the president will be taking away 5.7 billion from us. The same president who was complaining about a little over 2.5 billion that the previous government was taking from the ordinary Ghanaian. They are about to take 5.7 billion.
But His Excellency and the Finance Minister specifically have justified the reason why, because it's to show up the debt repayment that's facing now. Yeah, I'm listening.
The question is very simple.
Okay.
Were they aware of the predicament of the economy? It's a yes. That's why they made specific promises to the ordinary Ghanaian. So if during the campaign, the NDC promised the ordinary Ghanaian that, listen, I'll be imposing 1 Ghana cedi on every liter of fuel, I'm not sure John Mahama would have won the election. Right? They told us about e-levy. We are going to scrap e-levy. We are going to scrap COVID-19 levy. We are going to scrap debt tax. We reduce, yes, we promised the ordinary Ghanaian that will be taking away some tax. We took away and reduced about over 17 taxes.
Okay, hold your
in our
Your mama, we are kwasiapa no ajeso amu afire. Your mama, we are buapa na obi atro amu afire. Your mama, uni charge 2 million no obi atro amu afire. Your mama nyame be tia oka no obi atro amu afire. And this if when you uni charge no obi atro amu fire. Does that make sense to you? And this if when you amuya mua no biatro amua fire. And this if muni chasere no biatro amua fire. Your mama abuanchewe no biatro amua fire. Your mama uyo fui no biatro amua fire. Your mama bua no biatro amua fire. Nanka minim se be easy ama me se me no go position say. Me cry minim se be tough ama me say see mama everything show clearly say opposition dey me no go simple. NDC is going to go home. Oro Marigai. Why you say? Why you say? Moye campaign. Ato forcing when him se kaka motobi. When him se kaka motobi. Pasiao na beka say e-levy. Resources are yewo ewo manum yeto abama mu amoba resources in uncountable number of resources. We don't see why MPP for ya confirm the e-levy aba. What you say? Ato force you when him say kaka motobi utiri se kra ya kwa ho. Pasia and this for ina mu ni chasre obi adro am on fire. Stay with your man, say how are you doing today? Or a subscriber. I'm doing so much better, bro. I'm doing so much tremendously. Your mama wouldn't trust it. Wouldn't chabas the course and I do boja. We are poor. Musi and fire and the MB before economy across for or the idea. One could chow bet ya, ye know. One send this car, you know, we out until you levy. Most of Ghanaians didn't pay some. Till you make catch down. But when the obi abefro car ko ni krom, obi abefro car ko adwuma, obi abefro car. Your mama, we are poor. Hey, me bo pa mo obi akọ your mama. Enti esi amuma more security. Your mama owu amian mako kuno. Me bo pa mo obi akọ buno. Your mama we are poor. Wasia. Every liter before say unya one gallon, and 4 liter no. Enti 4 beje 4 cedis per gallon. We need charge your mama. Me bo pa mo obi aba pu. Esi anama hwewachi. We are kwasia. Yefa kufuad mu kofi enkofa amra na hu fi jimi kwasia torua ah o beji 1 gallon 4 cedis na kwasia nipa ne fele taxi now fele car 15 gallons I wouldn't sika waje 4 cedis out and 15 we are poor your mama who ni trasere efesi ya una mahwehwe wachi your mama memo bia lo po kwasia etima jimi Sami Jamfisi Yesika no $500,000 koto Range Rover SV biography. No $6 in room pancha macron for agradamu. Na ye Sikana mu de be sewu dum so no. Sami Jamfi mu sisa to car. Sam George mu sisa fa to luxury cars emo mu plafo. Na ye driver for no mu chi omo no. Omu na emeti ankwase Yesika mo bodamu ni twasere NDC fo nyamu ya moa. Asiafo stupid people obi ahye no kra no obi pai your mama no I mean amabo pa kwasia jimi opposition mo be kokra sin ato aba me donyame enkwasiafo levi sem wenti anti na mai pama kofu adomu na me nim se ma jimi sa me nim se mo ya moasa NDC fo na mo ni twasere kwasiafo your mama me see yesi amuma no more security me ya bo pono wa jimi no ko jimi na ntie kwasia ya wo resources e o wiase nyina timber diamond manga the sport site jimi emwa